So now let's talk about a second type of database you will see on AWS, which is Amazon ElastiCache. So the same way you use RDS to get managed relational databases, you're going to get ElastiCache to get a managed Redis or Memcached database. These caches are going to be in-memory databases with high performance, low latency. So anytime in the exam you see something that says that you need an in-memory database, you have to think directly ElastiCache. Now, ElastiCache will be helpful to reduce load off of databases that have read-intensive workloads. The idea is that if we have an RDS database and we're doing a lot of query on it and they're the same queries all the time, we put a bit of pressure onto that RDS database. Instead, what we could be doing is to use a cache to reduce the pressure off of the database by making sure the queries are directly going onto my in-memory database through ElastiCache. And because this is a managed database, then AWS will take care of all the operating system maintenance and patching, the optimizations, the setup, the configuration, the monitoring, failure recovery, and backups. So we don't need to know a lot about caches in this exam, but we need to know it's an in-memory database. And the solution architecture around using a cache looks like this. So your Elastic Load Balancer will go to your EC2 instances, possibly in an ASG. They will be reading and writing data from your Amazon RDS database, which is slow. And then, if possible, they will be caching some values into an Amazon ElastiCache database. And this will be very fast because it's in memory. And so with ElastiCache, there will be pressure taken off the main RDS database and put it onto the ElastiCache database. And that's the whole idea behind the cache. You want to save the queries somewhere else so that they're very readily available, easily accessible, and they can relieve, again, pressure from the main database. So that's it. That's all you need to know going to the exam, and I will see you in the next lecture.